Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford Maverick in an XLT trim, powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, with all-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. It does also have the black appearance package, giving you black accents and rims, but let's take a look inside. Looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo, as well as reveal some pretty deep storage bins underneath. You also have the scannable QR code here straight from Ford to give you some ideas of what to do with this space. And then in the middle you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having a USB, USB-C, and 120-volt power outlet in the middle there. Now looking into the front, you do have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip information, your My View with a digital speedometer, now playing, phone controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on to the right, you do have your cruise controls there with your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. And moving over to the left here, you have your light controls with automatic headlights. And you have a trailer brake controller as part of the 4K tow package. And moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth capable. You have Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Above that, you have a little bin here, and then to the side, you have another little bin. Moving down, you have your media controls and hazards. Moving down further, you have your climate controls with automatic climate as well as AC. Moving down further, you have a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something into power or charge. You have this tray area here where you can set up your phone in creative ways. You have your main shifter on a dial, very convenient, easy to use. Parking brake, 2 cup holders, little cubby, and then your traction control shut-off, auto start stop shut-off, auto start stop shut off, brake hold, and your drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, slippery, eco, and sport mode. And then you have another little tray area and your center compartment / armrest with plenty of room inside, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.